Hello friends, day 127, and I started the day in Tewkesbury, had breakfast with Nigel and then set off again along the Severn Way. I met some lovely people again on the Severn Way, several groups of people, had lots of lovely chats and a walk and a chat with three of the people, and then the Severn Way came to an end when I got to Gloucester. Some of the route had changed because there was a part of the original Severn Way that had collapsed, so they changed it to the other side of the river, which was a little confusing for a while. After Gloucester, I had the pleasure of meeting up with Rick, Fran and Jules, three of the Bristol Four. And on Saturday night, hopefully all four of the Bristol Four will be in attendance and we'll be having dinner together. So you might get to meet them then as well. I've just spent nearly an hour sitting in my tent watching the sunset, and it's beautiful from up here. So let's have a look at where I've been, and I'll see you on the trail. This is my gorgeous room with a view tonight. Thank you, Rick. On top of Painswick Beacon. Look at that.